Hi everybody, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're going to talk about how you can track maintenance tasks inside your HomeZada calendar. So the first thing to remember is that HomeZada pre-populates some of the common maintenance tasks that we all need to do across the country. That's the first thing. So that calendar is already set for you. It's set via seasonal aspects and also both individual tasks and recurring tasks. So that's the first thing. So I would invite you to go into your HomeZada account and look at which tasks are in there and determine if they actually apply to your home or if you want to do them or not. You can also start to assign those tasks to individuals or companies that you feel are best suited to do these tasks. These could be family members inside your home, they could be external contractors, but you can actually assign who's going to actually perform those tasks. The third thing you can do, is you can actually manage the pricing on these maintenance tasks. If you are going to do these tasks yourself, generally there's no amount of labor cost. But if you're going to hire out for someone else to do this, there may be costs associated with that based on the labor and the time in which things need to get done. Now, additionally, if you do have tasks that may just require time, but they may require some minor purchases. So for instance, updating light bulbs, you may need to buy light bulbs. Changing out your air filters, you may need to change your air filters. Those types of things, you can also record the cost in your home maintenance calendar items within HomeZada so that you can identify when things are complete and what you've spent over the year. So that's the other thing to remember. When you are tracking your maintenance tasks, you can also assign them and determine when they are complete. And when you assign them as complete, you not only have a record of when you last did it, but you also have a dollar amount for your annual spend on your maintenance if you've actually added some costs associated. And now you'll start seeing trends of these maintenance costs. Now, in addition to the maintenance tasks that HomeZada provides you, the second thing to keep in mind is HomeZada also has an additional 150 recommendations in the system of maintenance tasks that may apply to your home. So you can go hunting through those recommendations and determine if you need to add any of those to your calendar. The third thing to keep in mind is maybe you have a very unique home, something that's older. Maybe you have a historical home, and those tasks aren't found within HomeZada's recommendations. You can simply add those tasks as a brand new task inside HomeZada so that you can identify what you need to do to make sure you're maintaining your home properly. Thirdly, you may also need to track all of your personal type tasks that may or may not be kind of associated with your home, but you may just want a place where you can track them. Using HomeZada's home maintenance calendar, you can also track things like birthdays. I track these for all my nephews and nieces. You may want to track when your pets need grooming, or when your horses need their shoes reshoed, or when your kids have soccer games, or something to that effect. So remember that you can track all these different tasks using this calendar. The calendar will send you reminders that you've established from within the system, and it will tell you when you need to do these. Now remember, sometimes when you set these calendars don't always align with what's actually going on because you're trying to predict a year ahead when you need to do these tasks. So a year from now, you may be expected to perform a task, but you may be out of town. That's okay. You can simply change the date within the system of when you actually think you can perform the task. It's really simple. So using HomeZada's maintenance calendar to remind you of the tasks that you need to do, both recurring and individual, personal as well as maintenance and cleaning and fix it and repair and landscaping projects, are all possible. Also remember, using the actual tasks themselves with budgeted dollar amounts, should you need that, will also be extremely valuable as you look to see trends in your completed tasks and what those costs are. So keep that in mind and then let us know if you have any questions. Remember, check us out at HomeZada.com.